Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at it, just showed up on my doorstep today. My Losi King Sling. Got it from Amazon because the price was way cheaper there. Normally I buy my RSGs from Great Hobbies, but was that $300 cheaper on Amazon. Wow, that's a nice RC. All the specs. Tires are crazy. Look at the color. And you know the funny thing about that truck? I thought that truck just came out. And I randomly saw a video on Facebook or YouTube about that truck and starting doing research. And I just learned it's been out for 3 years. But I think it's been refreshed. The shocks and a little bit of things. Wow. Man. Almost like tractor tires. Look at that. Super nice. So I won't make a big review because there's a lot of review out there already because it's been 3 years, but that thing is badass. One here, and there's a clip somewhere. Here. Here and they should have made a stopper for the hood, but awesome. Can't wait to try this. So that was mostly a unboxing. A nice remote. Instructions and a foam for the battery tray, a sling for the batteries, and AA batteries for the remote, and the book. So that's it, guys. If you like it, just leave a thumbs up. And can't wait to make some videos with that bad boy. See you in the next one. Thank you, guys. Bye.